Now, if you've been watching this season, you will have also seen that Queensland is pretty hard on the gear. Episode 1 just managed to rip off the side steps on the Ram. So in a break in filming, we organised to give the Ram a little bit more protection. Now, there isn't all that much available yet on the market for a Ram, so we had the team at Yubute Fabrications create something custom.
Tell us a little bit about what you've done with the design here, mate.
So initially we decided we'd go with something, give you a little bit more of a step area to get in and out, and as requested, somewhere a bit bigger perch at the back to be able to get access to undo the tent up on top. So we're pretty happy with how they've turned out. We've turned them around in a week from start to finish.
I think she's going to be pretty happy with this, and she may even be able to close the canopy.
While these rock sliders are top quality, Jason and his team also make some pretty handy products that we reckon four-wheel drivers would love to know about.
So I would say our roof rail brackets for mounting an awning onto factory roof rails. So we've designed them to suit the profile of the factory roof rail for the Nissan Navara, the Ford Ranger, just released a 150 series Prado and a 200 series LandCruiser. So this is the ones that we've designed for the Navara. This is what we originally kicked off with. So they come with a bit of insertion rubber, shaped to suit the rails so they don't get the twist on. These have been over 12 months now. Took a bit of developing and testing to make sure that we were supplying a good product, and we've refined it now to a point where it's super basic to fit.
If you're interested in getting some of these cool products on your rig, check out Yubute Fabrications on Facebook and Instagram, or simply give Jason a call today.